I'm Charles Beaton with Beaton Brothers Property Experts. Welcome to 526 Penrose Boulevard. A truly rare opportunity in the heart of Colorado Springs. This home sits directly across the street from the world-renowned Broadmoor Resort and its championship golf courses. Living here means being part of the most prestigious neighborhood in the city, where history, luxury, and lifestyle come together. Not only do you have the world-class amenities just steps away, including events like the Space Symposium, the U.S. Senior Open, and seasonal concerts, but you're also in the highly acclaimed Cheyenne Mountain District 12 schools. This is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle of convenience, prestige, and opportunity. Every part of this house has been touched. Attention to detail is second to none throughout the whole home. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the warmth of the new hardwood flooring underfoot and the fresh updates that give this home a modern yet timeless feel. Every detail has been brought through this home. From the upgraded paint and textures, even on the ceilings, the open design that invites natural light into every single room. The main living area is anchored by a stunning open-faced double-sided fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings while still offering a sleek, contemporary touch. Moving into the primary suites, yes, both upstairs and downstairs, you'll find luxurious bathrooms with heated floors that make every morning feel like a spa experience. It's comfort and elegance seamlessly combined. Throughout the home, you'll see the attention to craftsmanship and the updates that make this property truly turnkey, ready for the next owner to simply move in and enjoy. Thank you for hanging out with us today at 526 Penrose Boulevard. I'm Charles Beaton with Beaton Brothers Property Experts. Call us today for your private viewing.